Hello, my name is Colin Mowdy, and I will be narrating the presentation of our sustainable bus stop design. For the cultural location, we've chosen the Chauffeusot House and Garden located in Philadelphia, PA. Philadelphia experiences a variety of different weather conditions throughout the year. Its climate zone lies between humid subtropical and humid continental, depending on the source, and it experiences all four seasons. Starting with precipitation, the city has around 119 days where some form of it is present throughout the day. Philadelphia averages about 47 inches of rain annually, as well as approximately 13 inches of snowfall. Since Philadelphia is at the southern part of Pennsylvania, they experience slightly warmer weather, with the average high being 87 degrees Fahrenheit and the average low being 26 degrees Fahrenheit. With that, they average around 207 sunny days per year. Philadelphia has a very large range of humidity throughout the year since they experience all four seasons. Humidity is based off of dew point, which changes daily and seasonally. The more humid periods last around 4 months, with July having the most muggiest days and February having the least amount of muggy days. Overall, each season in Philadelphia has unpredictable weather, so it's good to be well prepared for any weather changes. The Shofuso House is a 17th century style house that reflects the history of Japanese culture. Directly supported by the Pan America Society of Greater Philadelphia, it's accurately accompanied by traditional residential gardens, a tea house, and a bathhouse. The house was first constructed in 1953 as a peacetime gift from Japan to American citizens and shipped from Japan to America, being displayed in the courtyard of the Museum of Modern Art in New York City. In 1958, it was relocated to Philadelphia. The Japanese style that is displayed by the Shofuso architecture includes square pillars, sliding doors, exotic joineries instead of nails, and floors covered in tatami mats. The house also has multiple tokonoma, which are recessed walls used to display items for artistic appreciation. World-renowned contemporary Japanese artist Hiroshi Senju said Shofuso captured the symbolism of Japan and America's union and created 20 contemporary murals for the house in 2007. The house and garden has a tiered waterfall, bamboo, sakura trees, and koi fish native to the area it's based on. The Shofuso Japanese House and Garden offer people in Philadelphia area the chance to explore Japanese culture in a pure form while also offering a place for the local Japanese community to connect with their heritage directly and through the parent organization's annual traditional Obon Festival. Now, in order to ensure that our proposed bus stop is entirely eco-friendly, we'll be incorporating various sustainable features into its design. The first is the inclusion of solar paneling on the bus stop's roof. By opting to include solar paneling, we are striving to make this structure have net zero emissions, as well as being able to have an independent power source. These solar panels will charge up during the daytime and provide ample energy efficient lighting during the nighttime so that the stop itself is a safe place for citizens to take shelter. In addition to providing its own source of electricity, our bus stop will also be able to send additional power to Philadelphia's power grid during times of increased sunlight. Another importable sustainable feature that we will be including in our bus stop is a living wall covered with native Japanese plants. The inclusion of a living wall is a benefit in multiple areas, as the plant life will work to remove pollutants from the air, as well as bring joy to the citizens using our bus stop. The bus stop will also be designed in a manner to support passive climate responsive design. One such feature is the roof being designed with an overhang with seasons in mind. The roof will be angled to allow more light and therefore heat during winter months when the sun is lower, while simultaneously blocking the sun during its high point during the hot summer, reducing light and heat. The final sustainable feature is the actual construction materials of the stop itself. Aluminum and glass are two sustainable materials that will be used for the base and seating of the stop, with aluminum being a heavy, durable, and highly recyclable material, with roughly 75% of all aluminum being recycled or able to be recycled. The next major material will be the Hinoki cypress bark, which is found on the roof of the Shofuso house and will also be used on the roof of the stop. This is a highly durable, sustainable material that is harvested without damaging the tree it comes from and is the main material in Japanese temples thousands of years old without needing repair. It also has an aromatic material that passively aromatizes the air and has antifungal, antibacterial, and insect repelling properties. In conclusion, our bus stop will be based on the current bus stops pictured here, used in Philadelphia with slight modification. We're going to take this stop design with the aluminum base structure and smart screen and change the roof with the material and angle discussed previously, replace the glass back with a living wall, and move the glass onto the close side shown to further enclose the stop without limiting vision and sunlight, and add solar panels to the roof to power the lights and screen. Based on the stop's design, we found it meets criteria for various certifications and designations. For the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, it fits the descriptions of goals 3, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, and 15. For WELL certification, we believe our stop meets the criteria for smoke-free environment, ventilation design, enhanced air quality, microbe and mold control, light exposure, circadian lighting design, active buildings and communities, outdoor thermal comfort, pest management and pesticide use, nature and place, enhanced access to nature, and accessibility and universal design. The final certification set we believe it meets is the Imperative Petals for Living Building Challenges Landscape Plus Infrastructure category. And with that, this concludes our presentation, and I hope you have enjoyed what we have to show.